Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Q3. The new Audi Q3 challenges the perception of what a crossover is by embodying everything a crossover should be and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, electronic stability control, CD player, fog lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.